Let's make some party wings with homemade Publix sub. Yep, my way. You can hear my son back there, y'all. He just started learning how to do his music. But here's my sauce. I don't do too much to it, but just enough to make sure it has flavor. Of course, I gotta have my subs loaded. So this is everything I put on mine. Check out these wings. Ooh, crispy. Okay. Homemade fries don't take much, just a little something. And then again, that's my wings sauced up. Finished result. Y'all better go get my recipe book because I'm telling y'all sleeping if y'all don't. And book a session with me, okay? There's nothing wrong with having someone to talk to. Hey, we all going through this thing called life, okay? Check me out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye.